This is one of the best chicken wings that we've tried diri sa Iloilo. Dito pala to sa Fueled Wings. They are located at the Galleria, Halandoni Street, Haro, Iloilo City. Tubang lang na itong bagong building na to. Guys, if nagkikrave kayo ng solid na chicken wings, this is a must try. Meron sila ditong combo meals which are family combo, fueled combo, barkada combo, and solo combo. Tinry namin yung most ordered nila na fueled combo for only 949 pesos. I think good na to for 4 to 5 persons kasi guys, tignan nyo naman, ang damo. It comes with 15 pieces of wings, 5 pieces of chicken tenders, plus fries, and 3 dips. Pwede kayo pumili dyan ng 2 flavors ng chicken at mga dips. Pinili namin is itong garlic parmesan and honey sriracha. For the dips naman, we got ranch, buffalo mayo, and hot honey. Guys, both chicken flavors na trinay namin are namit. As in, perfect combination yung honey sriracha at itong hot honey dip. Binabalance ng sweetness yung honey, yung mild spice ng sriracha. Then itong garlic parmesan na grabe pagka super cheesy. Mas combination talaga to sa ranch dip na super creamy. At itong chicken tenders nila na sobrang dako, sobrang crispy at parang isang bite pa lang nito busog na ako eh. Tignan nyo naman, ang laki niya, di ba? Tapos i-dip mo siya sa buffalo mayo. Parang nakikita ko dito yung trending na Raising Cane's na tenders, di ba? Nag-add din kami ng chicken burgers on the side which are spicy Korean barbecue at honey butter. Namit din mga to at i-must try if di nyo trip mga chicken wings. Personal favorite ko yung honey butter dyan kasi mahilig ako sa matamis. If gusto nyo naman ng one to sawa na chicken wings, they have only wings every weekend. Exclusive lang to sa Halandoni branch ha. May branch din pala sila sa Zone 3, Pungka, Pavia. Tubang lang nitong Asia Pacific Medical Center. Masasabi ko talaga na one of the best chicken wings ang Fueled Wings dito sa Iloilo. Tag mo na din yung friend mong mahilig sa chicken wings para ilibre ka nito. This is the Hungry Chef pala. Like and follow us for more Iloilo food recommendations. Bye!